is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ahmed Abdul Kareem Al Mohammed, file number 22-21166FH. Miranda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Al Mohammed, and I have Alexander Bayanetto appearing on behalf of the people. Your client was here right on time this morning, Ms. Underwood, but I explained that you went to Judge Olsaver's court first, so I appreciate your patience this morning. So this is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Underwood, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, we have ordered the preliminary exam transcript. We don't have it yet. So I would just ask for an adjournment of probably a month, maybe give us a chance to get that.
Okay, when was the preliminary exam?
I can answer that, Your Honor.
Well, they have 90 days to complete the transcript. So do you want me to set this out to, like, I don't know, how about June?
That would be fine, Your Honor.
All right, and Ms. Adams, could I get a notice for him because he is present in person? So I'm going to set the next pretrial for June 21 at 8:30 in the morning. So, sir, you're waiting for a transcript from your prior hearing in district court. So I'm setting another date for June 21 at 8:30 in the morning. You can Zoom in or you can come in person, however you'd like. Do you have our Zoom instructions?
Yeah, I would. I'm only actually a couple blocks down on Locust, so I would rather probably just come in
That's
first.
not a problem. So just have a seat and we'll get your notice of hearing, all right? So you won't have to do the notice on that, Ms. Underwood, all right? I do not have an MDOC, Ms. Underwood, for Mr. Pagan.
That was my next question, Your Honor.
All right, I do, let's see, I don't have Matt Murphy. Martin, give me a word name. I do have a Mr. Martin in my waiting room though. All right, Mr. Malaro. Thank you, have a good day.
Yes, Your Honor.
Speaking of your client, Mr. Pagan, Ms. Underwood, you know, we have big horse race next weekend. So my money is on Mage, by the way. But Mr. Malaro, I do have Mr. Martin.
Okay.
Mr. Martin, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Matthew Dean Martin, file number 21-20466FH. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Martin, and I have Christopher Fleming appearing on behalf of the people. Looks like this is the date and time set for pretrial motions. So, Mr. Malaro.
Have reached a plea agreement.
Okay,
I could place it on the record.
please do.
So, Your Honor, Mr. Martin is going to plead no contest to an added count 3 attempted conspiracy to commit breaking and entering with intent as a 5-year felony. In exchange, counts 1 and 2 will be dismissed. The habitual offender will be dismissed. The guilty plea will be subject to a Killebrew agreement where Mr. Martin shall serve no immediate jail or prison sentence and shall receive a delayed sentence under MCL 771.1. The basis for this is that in related offenses, Mr. Martin had previously pleaded guilty and received HITA and was successfully discharged from those. So that is our plea agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Is that correct, Mr. Fleming?
Judge, I don't see that in the notes. Can we do this? Can we pass this for 1 second? Let me try to get the amended info to you and I'll confirm with Isaac regarding
Judge, I can text the plea offer to Mr. Fleming as we speak.
That would be perfect.
Screenshot of Mr. Sneed's text to me.
Yes.
I still don't have an amended information yet. Oh, wait, this is for. That's what, okay. So while, Mr. Millar, while you're doing that, I'm gonna skip over to Mr. Goldstein because I have received an amended information. So Mr. Posey, you want to come up to the podium? So I take care of Mr. Goldstein. Okay, Mr. Goldstein, I have received the second amended information. So in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Taylor Reed Posey, Mr. Goldstein, would you like to, let me see if I put the plea on the record. No, Mr. Goldstein, would you like to now put the plea offer on the record?
Yes, Your Honor. The people have filed an amended information which adds a count 4 of stalking, which is a 1-year misdemeanor. Mr. Posey is going to plead no contest to count 3, which is a domestic violence, which is also a 1-year misdemeanor, and the added count 4. The reason for the no contest plea is for the potential for civil liability. There is an agreement that counts 1 and 2, the 2 felony charges will be dismissed. We also have a sentencing agreement that Mr. Posey will receive no upfront jail in these cases, but the terms and conditions of probation will be up to the court.
Okay, okay. So, Mr. Martin, I get some feed from your device, so I'm just gonna pop you in the waiting room for a moment, all right? All right, while we're waiting for everybody, Jeff, I'm gonna take a quick look. Oh, never mind, Ms. Underwood's back.
Gotcha.
Your Honor,
Yes,
on Mr. Pagan, what are we going to do with Mr. Pagan today?
I know we like to say pagan, but it's pagan, right? He always corrects me, it's pagan.
I apologize then.
I know, I like pagan, but anyway. In the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Ricky Lee Pagan, file number 22-21142FH. I do not show that we have a writ from the prosecutor's office for him. So the last writ I have in my file is for March 15. So I don't know if there's another one out there. I don't always have everything up to date in my file. So I can set this for another day and have the people do another writ.
Thank you, Your Honor. I do see that Mr. Pagan is actually going to be seen by the Forensic Center today, I believe via Zoom, for his criminal responsibility. So that should move things along a little bit.
Nice.
So if we could have a new date.
How about we set this over to May 31? Because if they've already done the competency, they should be able to kick out the criminal responsibility pretty quick, don't you think?
Well, they've been really delayed on criminal responsibilities, Your Honor.
Okay, how about June 14th at 8:15?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Would you like me to do the stipend adjournment?
No, we'll let Mr. Fleming's office do the stipend order to adjourn along with the writ.
Oh, thank you. I'm
You're
sure
muted, Mr.
Fleming-
Fleming.
Well,
I have no problem doing the stipend order, Judge. What date did you set that for, though?
Oh, gosh, June 14 at 8:15.
And Miss Underwood, do we have your permission to sign that stipend order?
you most certainly do, Mr. Fleming.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Underwood. Thank you, Judge. We will get that done ASAP.
All right, you're the best. Thank you. All right, Miss Underwood, speaking of missing people, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jason with an I, Scott Wright, file number 22-21032FH. Mr. Wright is part of the economic diversion program, and this is a date and time set for contempt arraignment and pretrial. Is this a new file? Yep. So it looks like we have a motion affidavit and bench warrant for failure to appear for pretrial on March 8th. Is he in jail?
That's what I was wondering too, Your Honor, because I just tried to call him at the number we had again.
So
But
it
I
looks
don't-
like we picked him up and he has $40,000. Oh, no, I don't know. Becky, we'll have to check to see if Mr. Wright is in custody.
Judge, it looks like you changed his bond to 810 and that was posted.
It looks like he posted his bond.
I suspect the bond was what he owed for diversion, Your Honor.
Mr. Fleming?
People would, of course, leave it in your honorable judge's discretion here.
Is that all he owed on the diversion program? Was the 810? Like, did he pay that off?
I'll tell you what, let me talk with Bob on that one real quick, Judge.
Okay, all right. All right, so Mr. Santiago,
Yes.
good morning.
Morning.
Very fine. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Xavier Santiago, file number 2018-18950FH. This is a date and time scheduled for a violation of probation pretrial. Ms. Underwood was appointed to represent him and had requested that it be adjourned to today's date for a pretrial. So Ms. Underwood, do you need a moment to speak with Mr. Santiago?
I do, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. So Mr. Santiago, I'm going to open up a breakout room. Mr. Milaro, you're back on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Matthew Dean Martin. File number 21-20466FH. Mr. Milaro represents Mr. Martin and Christopher Fleming on behalf of the people. I have received a felony information that's been amended, Mr. Milaro. So what is the plea offer in this file?
Judge is going to plead to the added count attempted.
Is it a no contest to count 3?
Yes, added count 3, attempted conspiracy to commit breaking and entering with intent. Counts 1, 2, and the habitual will be dismissed with a Killebrew. Agreement of no jail or prison and a defer or delayed sentence under MCL 771.1. As I indicated earlier, he had a successful completion of HIDA.
Mr.
And these
Martin,
are-
want to raise your right?
These are related offenses.
Okay. Mr. Martin, raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right. So, Mr. Martin, you've heard the statement of your attorney and the prosecuting attorney. Is it your intention to plead no contest to count 3, attempted conspiracy to breaking and entering a building with intent, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 5 years in prison and or a $5,000 fine? There is a Killebrew, no upfront jail with a delayed sentence, and count 1 and 2 would be dismissed, as well as the habitual offender notice. So is it your intention to plead no contest to that count?
And
Sorry, I
somebody,
didn't.
I'm sorry. All right, Ms. Chesky, can you mute, please?
yeah, I just need I didn't catch that entire plea agreement.
So he's going to plead to count 3, attempted conspiracy to breaking and entering, which is a 5-year felony.
Okay.
There is a Killebrew agreement to he's going to plead no contest.
Okay, I caught the rest of that. I just didn't catch the added charge.
Okay, yep, it's coming through. Okay, so what was I gonna ask next? Are you satisfied with your attorney and the advice that he has given you? Mr. Martin?
Yes.
Okay. There's pretty comprehensive agreement on the record, but other than that, neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed any other possible sentence with the court. Is that correct, Mr. Malaro?
That is correct, Judge.
And Mr. Fleming?
That's correct, Judge.
Is that correct as far as you're aware, Mr. Martin?
Yes.
Okay, so I always, so they've changed a lot of this. So this is a delayed sentence, not a deferred sentence. Under a deferred, the judgment of guilt is not entered and Mr. Coast supervises on probation. But on a delayed sentence, the judgment of guilt is entered. We supervise under a delay. Ms. Teskey, so would your office monitor that or would it still be Mr. Coast?
It still is Mr. Coast, Your Honor. We just had a case like that. In that case, your office put on at the sentence the delay, you put on the judgment that he is to be supervised by Mr. Coast, and that's how
I just want to make sure.
Yep.
All right, so Mr. Martin, if a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. Ms. Adams, if you could see if Mr. Coast can log in.
Okay.
Sir, you have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have a prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial and not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. And I think I lost my place a minute ago. So, Mr. Martin, I'm not sure if I asked you this. You heard the statement of your attorney, the prosecuting attorney, and what I put on the record. Is it your intention to plead no contest to count 3?
Yes.
Okay. I just can't remember if I asked it or not. All right. Mr. Coast, I'm taking a plea on Mr. Martin, and then it will be a delayed. So at the end of it, I can put him in a breakout room with you.
Sounds good.
So he's pleading guilty to an attempted conspiracy to break and enter, which is a 5-year. We'll get you that information.
I'm sorry, judges, no contest.
Or no contest he's pleading. All right. So Mr. Martin, do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you were convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You are not a citizen of the United States of America. A conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Mr. Malaro, can I ask a question of you and Mr. Fleming? Did you say that this event occurred at the same time the events he had a HIDA for?
Yes.
So why aren't we just doing a HIDA with 1-year probation?
I'm okay with that too.
Mr. Fleming?
I would not object to either way, Judge. I think it's 6 in one hand, half dozen in the other at that point.
Do you care, Mr. Martin?
Probation.
No,
I got
HIDA.
the HIDA
Well,
program.
you're gonna be on probation both ways. So, you know, if you'd rather do the delay, that's fine. You'd rather do the delay?
Judge, we can do the HIDA. I would prefer that if we can do that.
Would I be on
Do you want-
probation for a year?
You're gonna be on probation both ways. It depends on whether you're on probation across the hall or you're on probation directly with me and Mr. Coast.
Because this wasn't the plea agreement I got told.
No, it's not, but it might have been easier for you. This is the reason I'm asking, but do you want to continue with the way it is?
Well, I just need to be able to go out of state for work.
Judge, can I explain it to him real quick in a breakout?
Yeah, go ahead. I mean, it's really doesn't matter at the end of the day, but it might be easier. So hold on. So I'm gonna put Mr. Milaro and Mr. Martin in a breakout room. Post-it notes, so I don't forget where I was. Okay. All right, Ms. Underwood with Mr. Santiago.
Yes, Your Honor.
An opportunity to speak with.
May I speak, Your Honor?
Your
Hold
Honor,
on.
can
Hold
I
on,
just,
everybody stop talking over me. I know you can't hear Mr. Santiago, but listen. Ms. Underwood, I placed you in a breakout room with Mr. Santiago. Were you able to speak with him?
I'm sorry?
I put you in a breakout room. Have you been able to speak with Mr. Santiago?
Yes, Your Honor. I've explained to Mr. Santiago that he has a violation with 3 charges, Your Honor. And Mr. Santiago currently has a case in district court concerning 2 of those charges. And that case is set for a settlement conference on June 26th. Now, it's my understanding that Mr. Santiago has a PR bond on that case. Is that correct, Mr. Santiago?
Yes, and I would like to plead guilty for my drinking violation, please.
Oh, hold on. She's getting to the good part right now. So hold on. Go ahead, Ms. Underwood.
So what I was going to ask the court is if, since the violation does contain 3 charges, if Mr. Santiago could be released on a no contact bond, mirroring what he has in district court, to await the outcome of that and deal with his violations properly. Mr. Santiago wishes to enter a plea on on the 1 charge, Your Honor. And
Okay, what is he charged with in district court?
I believe it's a domestic violence, Your Honor.
Judge,
Okay. Yes.
I would like to get the assigned agent for this violation. I would like to get her on. I don't want to speak for this case without her.
Okay.
So can we wait just 1 second to get her on here?
Yeah, it's Joanne Holly. All right, so Mr. Santiago,
Yes,
you have a domestic violence charge down in district court, right?
yes.
Okay, do you understand that that case has not been heard yet by the district court judge? And down there, you could be facing up to a year in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, I would like to plead guilty for my drinking
Hold on, let me
violation.
talk. So what Ms. Underwood is trying to explain to you is that if you make any admissions on a violation of probation in front of me,
Hey,
it's a
you gotta
court
get on
record.
Zoom.
Sarah, you're not muted. So if you admit to any of these violations, they can use that against you in district court. Do you understand that? Mr. Santiago, do you understand?
Yeah.
Anything you say in my court can be used against you to convict you in district court. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I'm just here for drinking.
No, you're not. You're here for 3 things. So
I know I got another charge, but I'm not too worried about
I
it.
just
I'm
couldn't
just
hear
here for
any
the
of that.
violation, Your
I
Honor.
can't hear you. I can't hear you. Scoot up a little bit and speak a little bit slower.
I understand that I have another charge downstairs, but what's holding me here right now is the violation. I would like to plead guilty for the drinking violation and time served. I've been here for 60 days. so I can start paying my court fees and all that.
I can't hear you. You're breaking up, and it's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's the room you're in. The more you move, the more it breaks you up. So you have 3 violations in front of me. You don't get to pick or choose which one you plead to. You have
But I'm
3
only guilty for
violations. It is alleged, let me talk. It is alleged that you violated the terms of your probation by assaulting an individual, NZ, hitting her on the head several times, spitting on her, grabbing her hair, pulling her around, per the police department report. It also is alleged that you consumed alcohol below 0.08. It's also alleged that you were residing with NZ by the Adrian Police Department on 2/16 when you're not supposed to be. So do you understand, if you plead guilty to any of those, that could be used against you in district court?
Yes, I know, and that's why I'm going to court to beat these charges. I'm only
Well,
guilty
you
for
give
this.
me the charges if you plead in front of me. If you plead in front of me today to all 3 of these,
I just want to plead guilty to the drinking.
well, you don't get to choose which one you plead to.
That's crazy, man. Like, so y'all
It
forced
is
me to plead
crazy,
guilty
but
to all
it's my
of them.
world. So you either plead guilty or not guilty. But
Here for my violation.
are you gonna plead guilty to all 3?
No.
Then I will enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. And I will set this for a mock trial on, it is. Ms. Underwood, when was the court date in district court?
I'm sorry,
When is your district court date on the domestic?
I believe that's way in June 26th for the
All
settlement.
right, Ms. Adams, I need a mock trial date, please.
How far out?
They're forcing me. Last time it was cool though. That's crazy.
How far out do you need that, Judge?
Next available violation of probation trial, week or 2.
Last time it was okay to plead guilty to the drinking, and now I can't.
I don't know, Miss Holly, on this case, was there ever an agreement that Mr. Santiago could plead just guilty to the violation for drinking?
No, we've never made an agreement. It just keeps getting adjourned because of the pending case in district court.
Yeah, we had agreed, and then she keeps adjourning it.
Well, I can leave it up to your honor's discretion. If he wants to plead to the drinking and we can just go from there, that's fine.
And then if he gets convicted of the domestic, then we can recharge him with a violation?
Yeah, because that, from what I see, that's adjourned to June. I looked it up and there's a settlement conference in June on that case.
So, Mr. Santiago, you understand if you just plead to the drinking, though, we can still violate you if you get convicted in district court?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Underwood?
Your Honor, it would not be my choice to leave Mr. Santiago with another violation pending. I believe that Mr. Santiago is, I've tried to protect his rights against self-incrimination in this matter, Your Honor.
All right, so all right, so Mr. Santiago, you know, your attorney is rightfully trying to advise you in a way to protect your rights against self-incrimination. She's not doing anything wrong, but understand, if we dismiss count 1 and 3, Ms. Holly will reissue those if you get violated, if you get convicted. Do you understand? They don't go away.
Without prejudice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I understand. I understand.
Without, let me ask it again. Without prejudice means she can violate you.
Yes, I understand. If I get found guilty on the domestic, yeah.
Ms. Holly?
That's correct.
Okay. All right. So you understand, Mr. Santiago, your client, your attorneys advised you otherwise, but you wish to enter the plea.
Yes. Can I get sentenced,
Raise
please?
your right hand.
Can I please get sentenced today?
Nope. Sentencing is next week. Raise your right
Okay.
hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
All right, so Mr. Santiago, you understand the allegation that is remaining at this time would be that you consumed alcoholic intoxicants blowing a .08 by the Lenawee County Sheriff's Department records on February 16th of 23. Do you understand that?
yes,
Okay, put your hand down. You're not charged with any drunk driving offense downstairs, are you?
no,
Okay, so Mr. Santiago, by entering this plea, do you understand that the maximum penalty could be up to 5 years in prison?
sure,
Sure or yes?
yes,
Okay, now Ms. Underwood has given you advice, but are you satisfied with hers or your attorney and the advice that she gave you?
yes,
And you understand the advice she gave you, but you're choosing to act differently, is that correct?
yes, yes,
Okay, all right. Now, do you understand that you do have a right to contest the violation of probation charge and to have a trial on it?
yes,
Do you understand that throughout the trial, you would be presumed innocent until your guilt is proven by a preponderance of the evidence? Do you understand that?
yes, yes,
You have a right to have all the witnesses against you appear at your trial, to have your lawyer ask those witnesses questions, or you may ask them yourself, and to have me order any witnesses you might have to appear at that trial. Do you understand all of that?
yes, Your Honor.
You do not have to testify at your trial, and no one can say anything about you not testifying or hold it against you in any way. You understand all of that?
Yes, Your Honor.
On the other hand, you understand that you do have a right to testify at your trial if you want to testify.
Yes,
All right, how do you plead to the charge that you violated the terms of your probation by consuming alcohol intoxicants blowing a .08 blood alcohol content on February 16th of 2023? Guilty or not guilty?
I'm guilty for the drinking.
Okay, so do you understand one of the terms of your probation is you were to consume alcohol?
Yes,
And did you consume alcohol on February 16th of 23?
yes.
What did you drink?
I drank like a 40 ounce of beer, Budweiser, I think it was.
Okay, and you knew you weren't supposed to consume alcohol, correct?
Yes,
All right, I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of his rights. He does have competent counsel. I'm going to refer this matter to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation or updated probation violation report. And I will set this for sentencing on May 5 at 8:15 in the morning. So, Mr. Santiago, Ms. Holly may speak with you before sentencing and do an updated probation violation report. We'll see you back here on May 5 at 8:15 in the morning via Zoom. Do you want to appear via Zoom for sentencing?
what was that?
Do you want to appear via Zoom like you are today?
Yes,
All right, we'll see you back here then, and let me see here. Miss Holly, what is the total owed on this file?
Do I have an amount on the bond?
I already paid for my bond.
Oh.
Hold on, I'm looking.
Oh, 1,004?
All right, did you already post the $1,004, Mr. Santiago?
Not for the probation violation.
All right, I'll set bond in the amount of $1,004 cash.
Yeah, I'm not paying that.
Okay.
All right.
Right, so, all right, we'll see you back May 5 at 8:15. Thank you, Ms. Underwood, and thank you, Mr. Santiago. You're all set.
Yeah. You have a good day. Thank you.
You too.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Mr. Martin, we're gonna come back to you now. All right. Nice trying getting them out today, Miss Underwood, but anyway. Mr. Martin, let's see, have you had a chance to speak with Mr. Malaro?
Yes, ma'am. We're gonna take the HIDA program.
Okay,